We have officially finished the first month of allowing a robot to manage my $50,000 account. Now, if you guys missed the first episode where I gave $50,000 to a software, which I referenced to as a robot, check out that video. You'll understand exactly what I'm talking about in this video. And exactly when this is coming out, we mark the 30-day time period of how long the robot has been able to manage my funds. Let's dive in and see how well we've been able to perform over the last 30 days with only 2 hiccups, which I will get into in this video. Without further ado, let's jump right to it. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt Jimenez, and if you don't know who I am an entrepreneur who has worked with the greatest minds in finance over the last several years, and I'm here to pour into you guys everything that they poured into me. In this episode, I want to go over the monthly performance of the Fed bot from Nurp. I want to track how well it's performed from October 27th to the 1st of December, which is when I'm recording this video. Nurp has serviced over 1,500 clients, and from the data that they've collected from 1,500 people utilizing this software, they've gotten an average of 10 to 12% returns monthly. Now, when people hear this, they go crazy and they're like, that's impossible. Keep in mind, guys, this is an average, not what everyone is doing month over month. There's some months that are much lower and there are other months that are much higher. The means of an average is finding the average. We take the highest earners, the lowest earners, and we find the middle. That's what an average is, guys. So a lot of people freak out. They DM me like, what? That's impossible. There's no way you're doing 10 to 12%. Mind you, it's an average of over 1,500 people utilizing the software. Primarily, the Fed bot is the most popular one, which is the one I'm utilizing. So let's go ahead and jump right in to the screen share, where I'm going to pull up MyFXBook, which is a third-party provider where they track data. The Fed bot is connected to my brokerage account, which is Fusion Markets Live, and it's attached to MyFXBook to where they can record all the data, which I'm going to show exactly how that looks for you guys. Okay, here we are, the Fed $50,000 account. Fusion Markets Live is the broker, 1 to 500 is my leverage. So as you can see, since we started the account, which it was active trading on October 27th till December 1st when I'm filming this, it's about a month. And in that time period, we did a whopping 2.78% gain for about 30 days of trading. And the reason why I say about is because there was human error. Right over here where you see this drawdown, it's not actually a drawdown. What happened was there was a change in passwords, and I guess in doing that, I had to turn back on the software, which again, human error. This is why software is so much more effective in trading than human, because simple things like that don't happen when it comes to software. The reason for this mistake was merely just me not being attentive and realizing that the auto trading was not active, which is a simple click of a button that I have to do, not the software. So that was about a 2-day pause in trading. And then again, we have this minor drawdown, which isn't actually a drawdown, it's unrealized. Down below is the equity growth, so the actual amount of capital that's in the account. And up top in the dark orange is the overall growth of the account. Daily, we did 0.6. Monthly, it says 1.89, but then again, we didn't have a full month of trading because the 2 days and the late start in October. We started the account with $50,000. We are now sitting at $51,390.65. So the profit is $1,390.65. This was updated 6 hours ago. Down below is the period. So this tracks how it did on a weekly, yearly, and a daily basis. As you can see, here is the week, this is the month, and then this is the year. I'm really curious to see what we're gonna do in a 12-month time span if this is already just month 1 with several days that were inactive. In the 30 days, we did 362 trades. We did a total of 208 longs, 87 of them of which were profitable. We did 154 shorts, which 84% of them were profitable. And overall, we won 311 trades out of 362 trades, which represents 86%. We lost 51 out of 36 trades, which represents 14%. This is what this graph is showing. The average win for the trades is 16 pips. Average loss is 43 pips. Our best trade made us $91.45. Our worst trade was a negative $60.41. Our best trade in pips is 74 pips. Our worst trade trade in pips was 256 pips. The average trade length, so how long the software actually holds a trade for, was roughly 1 day, and we paid $75.54 in commissions. As we move down to the monthly analytics, mind you, the bars are opened on the first and closed on the last of the month, regardless the time period. I know in the video I said a month or 30 days of trading. That's what I'm going based off of, because realistically, the amount of time traded has only been roughly 30 days. Even though we have October, November, and December here, October was only 2 days of trading. November, we had the full month minus the couple hiccups, which took out a few days of trading for us. In December, it's the first, and we're already up 0.33%, which is actually amazing. Now, before I get off of this, I just want to pop over where I have the software running, and I'd like to show you guys what it looks like on my end and what exactly I needed to do in order for the auto trading to get turned back on and continue trading to where that mistake would have never happened. Okay, here we are on the software. This is what it looks like. All the smiley faces in the top right corner of the chart show me that the software is active. If it was inactive, you'd see a frowning face there. Unfortunately, I guess it went past my eyes and I didn't see the frowning face, but all you would do in that instance is this button right here where it shows the green, it showed red, meaning auto trading was not active, and all of these were sad faces. So all I did was click this button right here, which I'm not going to click because it'll shut off. I just clicked this button and it all turned back on for me. These are all active open trades currently at the moment. And here is the balance at the bottom. Here's the equity, the free margin, and the margin levels. Typically, you don't really need to do anything here as long as the margin levels stay in the parameters that the Nurp team will suggest you want to be at. There's nothing for you to do. Just look at it, make sure you're good, and continue about your day. All right, so there you have it. Almost a 3% gain for a month of trading utilizing the Fed bot from Nurp. It's been absolutely amazing and much more effective than me trying to put all my time and effort into trading. This thing did over 300 trades. There is no way on the face of this earth that I would have been able to do 300 trades in 30 days of trading. There's no way. Between running a business and trying to manage my money, it would simply not be possible. If you're interested on the software that I'm utilizing, just go ahead and hit the link down below. And guys, like always, if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, comment, and or subscribe. If you leave a comment, any questions revolving the software, I will tentatively be replying to all of you guys because I just think it's such an amazing product. And I know when I was first looking at it, I had tons of questions and just wanted someone to be able to connect with without having to be bombarded on phone calls, etc., etc. So I'm here for you guys. Just leave me a comment. It's that easy. Till next time. Peace.